Big
too.
beat.
Right?
Me a feel
Right, they're coming up. Two coming, don't move now. Yo man, let's check out it. Where want me go? Where want me go? Good works. Big up squad, big up squad.
Yo, me a say big up Tropicana, you know, that a General Lee. Them man, they have a teacher. You know, they work for General Marshall same way. In a street. I run a bad Kenworth with a 15 speed. A 375 cat. 411 ratio. String beat back of steering. Be that. All I get level for me. One to drop.
Get your footwork, get your footwork. Balance. Alright, sir.
Hey, that.
Nice.
General Beat. Big up yourself. When you have a girl them and ain't too much, send them come get General Beat. But string bean work on any meat. Any meat at all, string bean work on. Yeah.
Alright, sir. Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reed. So today I am in Luana. So I'm going to take a tour in Luana. They have a truck show in Luana. I'm going to see some pretty trucks. Yeah man, so all of the truck lovers them who love big unit, need to check out that video. So we're going to one truck show in the Luana area in Black River, St. Elizabeth. I know I say boss 30 and say something, you know. I mean, I don't feel to know.
Yo, Fire Reed. You don't know, so every day night I represent the lads one boy, St. Elizabeth. You know things that are ready. Yeah, big up yourself. You know things that.
Mothers, yeah.
Big beat. Me a feel
Full reverse. Down from second here. People pick up the second up. Watch it upside out. Watch it upside out. Down from second here. Watch it around the back in our area for people. That's 25. Goodbye.
Manners, you know.
Now it's